Hey, check out this 3D premium website I created using Cloud Code and Nano Banana Pro 2 with just a single prompt that I got from Cloud Code. The website is fully animated and it displays my high-end luxury premium perfume, and I like this website because it's very aesthetic. As you can see, everything looks so awesome. And the crazy thing is that I used just a single prompt to generate this website using Cloud Code. So to generate this website, I first of all went ahead to Firecrawl, and then I was able to scrap the type of website that I wanted to create. So let's say, for instance, I was trying to create a website for my coffee shop. I'll just go ahead and look for an example. In this case, I decided to pick Starbucks and copy their link. So once you copy the link, go ahead and paste it in Firecrawl. So Firecrawl is like a scraping agent that is gonna generate the markdown for our agents to use when generating such a website. And then you click on start scraping. It will go ahead and generate a markdown. So this markdown is gonna be used by our agent as an example to create such a website for us. So you copy the markdown or go ahead and download it. So once you downloaded it, go ahead and rename it. Once you've done that, go ahead and move it to the folder that you want to put it. So the next thing that you do is go ahead and download Google Anti-Gravity in your computer. So we will use Google Anti-Gravity as an IDE that will host our Cloud Code agents in our terminals. The next thing that you do is go ahead and open the folder that you want your agent to work on. So in my case, I'm gonna go ahead and allow the agent to work in a specific folder that I created. And in this case, it's gonna be the coffee shop. It will prompt you to allow it to access this folder. So just go ahead and click, yes, I trust the authors. Okay, so the next thing that you do is go ahead to Nano Banana Pro. So in Nano Banana Pro 2, we're going to create two images. So the first image, we're going to use a text to describe it. And then the second image, we're going to be using a text and also the image that we got from the first generation that we did. So we're going to go ahead and tell the agent to create this image for us. So it will take a few minutes to create this image. As you can see, it's working. It's gonna create a photorealistic studio photograph of a tall, elegant glass filled with layered iced caramel macchiato, showing distinct layers of a rich espresso and creamy milk. Okay, I like that. So let's go ahead and generate this image, and then we're gonna be using it for our second image. Awesome, look at this image that it created. It looks yummy. I like this image. So I mean, I would want to create more images, but I don't want to use much of my tokens. As you can see, my credits are almost running out. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this image to generate a second image. So to do so, I'll go ahead and download this image right here. So I'll just click download or save it to my workflow. Okay, so I've already downloaded my image, so I'll go ahead and paste in the second prompt for my second image. So basically, I just want to create a 3D image. So that's why I'm going to be using the first image to mirror the second image in order for me to minimize any differences in, when creating the video. So onto our second image, go ahead and clear the prompt that was there earlier on, and then paste in the new prompt that you have right here on the prompt section. And then go ahead and tell it to use the image that it has from the library. So as you can see right here, I already have some creations. So I'll go ahead and use this creation that I created right here. And I'll now tell it to go ahead and generate the image. I'll still stick to 4K. I mean, you can always go ahead and increase the resolution, but my subscription doesn't allow me to use the 8K, so I'm gonna use the 4K. But I still like the 4K because I mean, the image looks awesome. So go ahead and generate the image, and then it will go ahead and do that for you. Okay, so in this case, the second image is gonna be an X-ray style exploded view of the same iced caramel macchiato. So for those who love coffee, understand what that means. So let's wait and see how the image is gonna turn out to be. Awesome! Look at this, guys. It's so awesome. Just look at this image that it created. Oh my god! I think Nano Banana Pro is the best image creation model that we have so far. I mean, it always nails the prompt. Huh? This is not exactly what I needed. I mean, at first it failed, but as you can see on the second attempt, it was able to generate the best image that I couldn't even think that it could. I mean, it looks awesome. Okay, so the next thing that we do, with our two images is go ahead and then generate a video for our website. So this video that we're gonna be generating is gonna be on our website. So basically, we're gonna create a 3D video that shows our images. So we're gonna use the two images that we have right here to go ahead and generate our video. So we're gonna go ahead and click on AI video generator. Okay, so the video is ready. So let's click to view it. Wow, look at that. Awesome. Okay, so now we have the video ready for our website. So we're gonna go ahead and click it, and then we'll be able to download it. So you can download it to your computer. So once you downloaded it, go ahead and rename it. So I'll move this video to the folder where I want the agent to see. So I'll just cut it and then go ahead and paste it in my file that the agent is gonna be working on. So inside Google Anti-Gravity, make sure you have Cloud Code inside your terminal. So to get Cloud Code inside your terminal, you basically just go ahead and click on settings, and then click on extensions, and then search for it right here. But as you can see, I already have it right here because I just installed it. And then go back to the Explorer session and make sure that the agent is able to see the files that we have here right here. So for instance, the video, it already has access to the video, and then it has the markdown that we obtained from Firecrawl, and also the skill.md file that I'm gonna share with you guys. So just make sure that it has access to that, and then also make sure that you have an introduction, just like a prompt that will prompt the agent to go through the files. I'm also gonna leave this in the comment section just for you if you need it. So get started and just type in the message, and the agent will get into working and create you a 3D premium looking website that we will love. Okay, so the agent has already finished creating my website, and here I have my website. A few things that I need to change is I feel like the hero section, the images are kind of like too large, so I'm gonna go ahead and tell it to reduce the sizes of these images because I feel like they're too large for the website. So but I like this one. I like this image right here. It's awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell it to reduce the image size right here because I feel like it's kind of too large, and then probably increase this side, the words right here, they need to also be a bit larger. And then the next thing that I also want to tell it to increase is the font of this words right here. So that section needs to be increased, and then I also need to tell it to like list some testimonials. If I don't see them, let me see. Okay, right here. Okay, we have a testimony right here, so I'll go ahead and tell it to maybe put my image or something and put my name right here. So okay, but so far so good. The website looks nice, and it's just with just a single prompt, I'm able to like create this animated website where you just scroll like this, and then everything is playing on your screen. See right here, it's premium. I mean, just a few things that I need to change, and then everything is gonna look awesome. Okay, so let me go ahead and give it the prompt to make those few changes, and then everything is gonna be up and running. Okay, awesome. So I was able to put in the changes, and as you can see, it looks different. I mean, just check it out, man. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I like how the animation goes. Like I'm scrolling through the website. So just imagine I'm a customer. I'm there scrolling, and then like I see this popping out. I mean, I'll be like, oh, I'll be so intrigued to like check out the coffee. Awesome, awesome. As you can see, my image there, right there. Wow, wow, wow. Awesome. So I like this website so far, and I mean, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll probably give it like probably an 8. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Like between this website that I have and the first one that I showed you, this one right here, which one do you think is better? Like, I mean, this section, I mean, this one looks like it's kind of, this is kind of luxury. I feel like it's more luxury compared to this one, but let me know what you guys think. But so far so good. These websites look awesome, and they're just just a single prompt with Cloud Code, and you get everything done instead of paying so much money to create such websites. And you can always do this with just a single prompt. Wow, wow. So the next thing that is remaining is go ahead and push this ahead into GitHub, and then from GitHub we'll be able to deploy it to Vessel, and then after we have the project on Vessel, we can go ahead and index it in Google. Okay, so to deploy it to GitHub is very simple. Just go ahead and tell the agent to do this for you, but you have to make sure that you have GitHub CLI and a Vessel CLI on inside your PC. But if you don't have it, don't worry, because the agent can do that for you also. Like, it can do everything for you. So it's gonna go ahead and install the GitHub CLI and Vessel CLI, and it's gonna go ahead and push the files for you. You just gotta give it a prompt, and it will make sure that everything is secure. If you wanted to put the files in a private session in GitHub, they're gonna be private. And if you want it to be public, it will put them public. And no sensitive information is gonna be leaked. So go ahead and tell the agent to push your website into GitHub, and then you'll be able to deploy it in Vessel in just seconds. Okay, so as you can see, mine is already doing it, and it already has, my access to my files. I'm not doing anything. Like, it's gonna go ahead and deploy everything to a Vessel for me, and after that I can go ahead and index it in Google if I want to. Wow, wow, it's awesome. Like, I'm doing nothing. It's just generated this website for me, and the website looks awesome to me. Like, just check out, just check it out, man. Just check out this website. Just imagine how much you'll pay to generate such a website. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for the next video that I'll be posting. And please remember to let me know in the comment section which website is better than the other one. See you on the next video.